Unless you've been living under a rock for the last 2 years, you know that AI has been shifting a lot of different industries recently, sales and marketing included. And this big AI technology advancement is creating some big gaps between the people who are falling behind and the people who are leveraging AI to create more powerful businesses. The same goes with cold email. I myself have been using Clay and AI-powered email to outperform my competitors and generate some crazy results I've never seen before. For example, I've been able to book one meeting for every 80% contacted, I have over 5% reply rate across all my campaigns, and have a positive reply rate of over 80% also across all my campaigns. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI inside your cold email to get the same results and automate the entire workflow. So I'm basically going to show you my screen, show you some of the numbers I've got from implementing AI inside cold email, and then just show you basically the entire workflow and how to do this yourself at your company to get better results from running your cold email campaign. So we can start in Smart Lead. So Smart Lead is the cold email sender tool. And basically, if I just look at some of the latest campaign to see how they are performing. So what you want to look at when you're launching some cold email is the amount of meeting booked per number of people contacted. So industry standard ratio, I think, is one meeting booked for 500 person contacted. This is obviously, you need to be careful with this number. It depends on which industry you're going after, what offer you have, what is the niche, etc., etc. But it's just to have a standpoint point of view. But in my case, I'm doing lead generation for like marketing and SaaS companies, so it's considered to be pretty like saturated niche. But if we look at the numbers, I'm way below that standard, and these are pretty good numbers themselves compared to what I've been running like before. So 2 meeting book for 300% contacted. So this is 1 meeting book for 150% contacted. Here, 4 meeting booked for 131% contacted. So we can check 131 divided by 4. So 1 meeting booked for 32% contacted, which is pretty sick. And here, 1250 divided by 6. 1 meeting booked for 208% contacted. So these are just some of the latest like campaign, SaaS industry, marketing agency. So pretty classical stuff. If I look inside my client's point of view, so here this is like even more competitive market. So like e-com and basically like Amazon, selling Amazon management for e-com store. Again, if I use the calculator just for these, so 4 meeting booked, so 533 divided by 4 meeting booked for 533 persons. So 1 meeting booked for every 133 person contacted. These are meeting booked, by the way. So these are pretty decent number for cold email if you know the numbers yourself. So I'm just going to show you how to run this basically inside of Clay and the entire workflow. So I'm going to show you 3 different Clay scenario. You can sign up to Clay. It's entirely free. You just get like a free trial, and then you can just plug your GPT. I'm going to show you how to plug your GPT API token, and then you can just do this you can run like AI personalization for thousands of leads for literally pennies. So we can go on here, and basically here we put a company domain, and we're asking to find a case study based on the website. So find a case study on this website. So the website is here. Simply output the company name of one of the reference. Only look on the company website. For example, if the company has worked with Google, output Google. Save settings. We can run this again, see what it founds. Basically go here. Then I'm just going to show you like how you can like set all of this up so you can do the same. Well, here it's finding Office Optim. So if I go into research and I put Office Optim, so here you can say Office Optim. So what we are doing is we're asking AI. So this is like a little AI tool, like it's called Clayagent, where we're asking AI to go inside a company, scrape all the information and retrieve something like very specific to each company. And it's going to do this for like lots of different company, which before you were supposed to hire an SDR. He would do this all day long. It would cost you money. It would cost you time. And it's just a very boring task to do overall. So now we got AI, which can do this for us to like still maintain the quality of amazing campaigns, but reduce the time and the money associated to this challenge. So it's a pretty cool thing to do, and it's just gonna like skyrocket your results basically. So this is to find case study. So obviously you're probably not going to be looking to find case study on your website because it's probably not relevant towards your offer. But in my example, I can say like, hey, notice you're already working with Office Optim. Would you be interested if we could put you in touch with other companies similar to Office Optim? Or we could even do, would you be interested to, if we could put you in touch with company, and then we put another prompt, find a competitor of Office Optim. And so we say like another competitor of this company. I don't know if this is very clear, but basically you can bring this very far without being like too difficult. So this is to find case study. You need to find with your offer, like if I had unlimited time, unlimited resource, what would be the information I would need to make my email stand out and be make my offer amazing. Maybe for you, you're selling website design, and your thing you want to be doing is like go inside a website and you're checking all of these websites, and you're maybe asking Clay to go at the bottom of the website and check the year of when the website was built. And if ever it's below 2024, maybe send a message like, hey, notice your website has not been redesigned before 2024. Can I send you a free audit? This is like, your imagination is the limit after this. So you can really like create some specific campaign. Same for LinkedIn posts. So here we put a LinkedIn profile and we're asking Clay to find basically make up a sentence about this last person LinkedIn post. So we can run this, and here is how the prompt looks like. So visit this LinkedIn profile and then complete this sentence. Love your last post about XXX on LinkedIn. For example, love your last post about AI personalization on LinkedIn. So I always put like a basic prompt, and then I put an example so you understand exactly what I'm asking from him. And so basically here, I'm just putting the prompt, waiting it to load. So love your last post about the 9 things I wish a friend had told me about being an entrepreneur on LinkedIn, blah, blah, blah. So let's check basically on LinkedIn. And so if we go on his profile here, 2 hours ago, I invested millions in startups. So it's probably not this one. Here, 9 things I wish a friend had told me about being an entrepreneur. So Clay is going on this person's LinkedIn profile and finding relevant information based on this profile. And you can do this for like thousands and literally thousands of leads for like $10, $20 maximum, which is it's pretty amazing compared to the cost of a SDR or the time it would basically take you. Just to show you another example you can do. So this is LinkedIn post. You could do website summary. This is one I use a lot and it's getting me some really good results. So here we're basically giving a website and we're asking, visit this website and then make a summary of what the company does. Complete the sentence. I notice company name helps XX achieve YY. So for example, I notice Lenis, and here. So basically we ask Clayton to go on Salesforce and basically sum up what is Salesforce doing. So I notice Salesforce helps businesses achieve improved customer experience and loyalty by using their integrated AI-driven CRM platform. So if you send an email just by saying, hey, I noticed Salesforce, and then you put your offer, we can help you, like something relevant, like we can help you like come up with a street creative to run some ads or whatever. Like when the person reads this, I noticed Salesforce and all the rest, like this person knows the level of detail is very different from what they've been receiving so far inside cold email. So how to run this? So when you come on Clay, you create a new account. You can create new table. Basically, you can start with a blank table. Just checking where this is again. Blank table here, and then you could put whatever, like people table. And here you can import all of your profile. What I usually do is just for the show you like exactly, I would come up with a CSV so you can like basically when you enrich a list of leads, like from Apollo, from wherever, you're usually like a leftover with a CSV, and you can simply import the CSV straight away. But just for the sake of making this simple, I'm going to show you how to do it like this. So here you would have all the information filled out, and how to like make this like enrich. You can go and add column, add enrichment, and then find something called website AI. I'm not sure how it's called again. Something website. This one. So artificial intelligence Clayagent AI web searcher. So this, and here you can put like GPT-4o mini, whatever. This is what it costs the less. Here, go here, and I've configured already my API key, but in your case, you would do add account, then put the name of your key. So this is just for you to memorize it, and then put your API key. I'm not going to put mine, obviously, but it's just as easy in this. And then once this is running, so here, let's put like apple.com, and then inside this, we can basically add, I'm just going to make like a quick one to show you how it works. So add enrichments, Clayagent, does this work? Yeah. Okay, visit this website, company domain, and figure out what product are they selling. Simply out, and then we can say like output this sentence. What can we say? Love. Like I was trying to buy your product. For example, I was trying to buy your headphones. Okay, this is just like a random example just to show you how it works. Basically, here I can run this and it should say like I was trying to buy your phone or whatever Apple is selling at the moment. So let's just wait until this loads up. So here it found a product. So I was trying to buy your iPhone, as simple as this. So basically you see in the big overview picture how it works. So what you should be doing right now to really leverage all of this is figure out, okay, what is the type of information would make my email stand out, and like above this, how can it make my offer stand out? Because just saying to someone like, hey, I love your LinkedIn post about blah, blah, blah. If your offer is shit behind it, it's not gonna bring you like amazing results. So really think like if your offer is like making really good ads, talk about like use Clay to go on their website and like find something about their design. You can like you can even ask ChatGPT how to use Clay to make your offer even better. So this is the quick overview on how to use this and like really get some good numbers. In my case, the number of meeting booked has like double or triple since using this type of tactic. So hopefully it will help you in the future. If ever you would like us to handle all of this for you, so you don't have to worry about using all the technological improvement and etc., just book a call with us and we can discuss all of this together. That being said, I'll see you in the next one.